something like that, and that should come clear so that there is no doubt.
Engareno ko epupokinto sinere sine kane ajasi ministan nepeka ipiriotini kanwe kamanara kede Ainapeta no Apol na ote marebonat parish development model. James ebitu epiriori tilo elo mutoto modiongo telo e pamorani setecha unitalo skinete na uriente kanalolo.
As you all know, this model was launched by His Excellency on the 26th of February, Excellency the President on the 26th of February in Chibuku. And since then, there have been preparations on the ground to make sure it's rolled out up to the level where we are targeting, and that is the parish level and down to the household. So there have been a number of activities that have been taking place, but this particular link, which is involving the district level stakeholders because of the important role that they play, is what is taking place today. Now in Teso, we should take this as a very serious thing because we know the coordination, the supervision, the monitoring of the parish development model will take place under the leadership of these people. So we want to equip them with the necessary knowledge to ensure that whatever they do from an informed point of view.
Abuda yata kebe kabakina pugana nyunebe buni ajo kunisirigini luabunga situtubukere neja Oitela.
Each parish this financial year was supposed to receive 17 million, and this money is supposed to go direct to the parishes. There is also a discussion that if there are parishes that have not received part of what they were supposed to receive this financial year, which is ending, government is thinking that that money should be made available to the parishes next financial year. Because we know next financial year, each one is again supposed to receive 100 million Uganda shillings. Now, one of the reasons why some parishes have not received the monies is because the process of developing the circles is still ongoing, because this money is supposed to go to the circles. You cannot send money to the non-existent circle.
Ainapeta nu keselipita minister na garia Helena Doa na moi buna jauno o district alo ngora ainera kini ngora tok obalebe e kotoi periodini lo district ai search ai tolomikina kanini keche toma okapunulu
osodi mama dumuni dioto anani kere yene losi arai technical people tungalu so maita pugan ijobo balos be signinga ne isirigini lu arai milioni tomone be ta jaikini group dodo boyasi lu group limono esbe signinga ati milioni tomono konyi kanyango no kera akwataka nyiboni yang atresi akwataka nyangole mula ota ikonai ajikini es yedu musolola na kotenga limo kini es are ngado ana enga dumun evidence abuni ngai kamono jo mamulu risirgin webe tabolia relu sirgin webe iti ai medai kine tren lo kwap
anyu to bere lo loni dabe etungana lo kwap nara pede ro shokere gwe kitaine je etungana lo kwap mame bobi chebori kotona pupun be je etungana ni lo kuju etwenele sit bala e ku are twenelo LOC3 are chairman 5 are kawo are district of no district kere e be iti kera mameu
awuriane tena yanga untikitoni yengarno kolwedini ne sapotu lwedini lipata rapugan aroikine ngarno koke lwebe italo sta ngarni kina Ainapeta anu Oitela kobalebe mama jokoti kesibobo alo city agera ilik sirigin lwebe itori aikeune tuana lo kwap Matthew Magor nese bishop lo PAG Central Teso.
Ibo radio pene mina muna muni program sula joka kalo apuga ngesi kokolaka. Bo rembake corruption. Ko pa nada datai ai peni kilengai. Adumunu e palarita nini che owetorete. So ikokolaka ngesi koto apugani anyu ne ponelo ai tiko kina kecha appetite. Kada ademari kisarreng na somna rokoko toma Ainapeta.
President Yoweri Museveni ne so sabita la tubori abuore moi minister na kekere abongor toma bosho ne lomtutor kesi oralo skinet aishana kinitunga no kamunto sa Ainapeta no kaipon lebe turkesa imedown. Godfrey Ojore, TV East, Soroti.